Fine. So let us start with today's lecture. That is, we are going to do yesterday we have completed 0 into infinity and infinity minus infinity examples. Today we are going to do the last type of indeterminate form, that is exponential, which is 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0, and 1 raised to infinity. These are the last three types of indeterminate form which we are going to solve, and maybe then one or two will do miscellaneous examples. Okay, so these are called as exponential form of indeterminate limits because all of them are in power. Okay, so if I want to solve the function which will be of this type, then what will be the first thing that we'll have to apply? Your limit will be of which form? Limit as x tends to whatever alpha, it will be of the type f of x raised to g of x, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
all of them
yes,
will be in such form, f of x raised to g of x. It will be function raised to function. So how will you first, what is the first basic thing that you have to do? To convert it. Yes. Yes. So
Taking
all the
log.
questions, very good. All the questions which are of the form 0 raised to 0 or infinity raised to 0 or 1 raised to infinity, they will be first solved. First step that we are going to do will be apply log on both sides. Okay, so after applying log on both sides, that g of x will come down and you will have log of L is equal to limit as x tends to alpha g of x into log of x. The very next step will be, see, this is suppose now it is infinity raised to 0 form, suppose. Then when I get it down, it will be 0 into infinity, because log of infinity is infinity, so it will be 0 into infinity. Then I have to convert it to either infinity by infinity or 0 by 0.
By 0.
Okay, so this I will write it as limit as x goes to alpha, log, don't take it down unless and until both are log. If both the terms are log, whichever derivative inside function is easy, you take that down. But right now, log of f of x is there and g of x is without log you can consider. Then you will write it as 1 upon gx. Is it okay? Fine. So
Yes,
suppose this log of f of x was infinity, log of f of x was infinity and g of x was 0. So in the denominator it has gone, so 1 upon 0 is infinity. So which form it has taken? It has taken now infinity by infinity. Is that clear? And therefore, what will be the thing? You will apply L'Hospital rule. You will apply L'Hospital rule. What is the L'Hospital rule? Derivative of the numerator upon derivative of the denominator. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we'll go through the examples. The basic thing is apply log first, then take one of the function in the denominator. Either it will become 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, and then you will apply L'Hospital rule. Okay, majorly it will be infinity by infinity because log term will keep it on the numerator and the remaining function will get it in the denominator. So let us write down the examples now. Take down the first question. Evaluate limit as x goes to 0, cos x raised to 1 by x. Cos x raised to 1 by x. I'll write down all the examples where you see that form. Okay. Second is limit as x goes to pi by 2. Limit as x goes to pi by 2. Cos x raised to cos x. Just a second. Huh? Limit as x goes to, it is cos x raised to, yes, cos x. Then third is limit as x goes to 0, cot x raised to sin x. Then limit, fourth one is limit as x goes to infinity, as x goes to infinity, a raised to 1 by x plus b raised to 1 by x plus c raised to 1 by x divided by 3, the whole raised to x. Can you see this?
Yes,
Limit
ma'am.
as x goes to infinity, a raised to 1 by x plus b raised to 1 by x plus c raised to 1 by x upon 3 whole raised to x. Then one more I'll give you. Limit, fifth one, limit as x goes to 0, log of 1 by x, log of 1 by x, the whole raised to log of 1 minus x. Log of 1 minus x. So these are the examples that we will see. Okay. So we'll start with the first one. Then second, third you can solve because they are quite easy, not so difficult. Limit as x tends to 0, cos x raised to 1 by x. And such type of examples are also there in your MCQ. Okay. 1 by x raised to 1 by x. That question somebody asked me yesterday for solving the MCQ. Those are also of this type only. So the first question is cos x raised to 1 by x, and your limit is going to 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So what's the form of the first question?
1 raised to infinity.
1 raised to infinity. Okay. So that's why this is cos 0 is 1 and 1 by 0 is infinity. So you have to write down the form first. So the form of first limit is 1 raised to infinity. So L is equal to limit as x tends to 0, cos x raised to 1 by x. Okay. Now applying log on both sides, you get log n is equal to limit as x tends to 0, you can take log inside 1 by x log of cos x. 1 by x log of cos x. So actually this is, you can write like this, log of x upon x. So what is the form now? Log cos of 0 is 1, cos of 0 is 1 and log of 1 is 0 and denominator is 0. So now it is directly 0 by 0. Is it okay? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And therefore, since it is in 0 by 0 form, we'll apply hospital. So apply an hospital rule. And what will be the answer? You get the answer within one step because the denominator is of degree 1. So log of L. Now many students they do the mistake of writing log L derivative also. L hospital rule is already applied on the right hand side. So please don't do such kind of mistakes. So limit as x goes to 0, log of cos x का derivative क्या होगा? Log का derivative 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x divided by derivative of x which is 1. Therefore your final answer will be, denominator has become finite, so here only you will get the final answer minus sin of 0 which is 0 and upon cos of 0 which will become 0. No need to write this is 1, this is 0. So log L is 0. Again, this mistake that many students do in MCQ exam is that 0, if it is not there in the answer, then you say that the question is wrong. But then you are lucky because 0 is not the final answer because I want to find the limit L, not log L. So L will be e raised to 0 and that is 1. Therefore your answer is 1. Is this clear to everyone? Such type of mistakes have been done during your MCQ exam. At least for theory, you get marks, only 1 mark when would have been deducted. But here now, you can see that log L is 0. If that was there in the option, would have ticked it, but that's not the correct answer. The correct answer is 1. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you try to solve the second one. I think so. That is also quite easy. It is the form. You have to understand what the form of second question.
0 raised to 0.
0
Cos
raised
of
to
1 by 2 is 0. Yes, 0 raised to 0. So try to solve that and tell me what is the answer.
1. 1.
Everybody is getting the answer to be 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All have solved. You please put in the chat box, everyone. Just don't put that since the answer has been told as 1, you are writing 1. Please solve and write it as 1. Then go for the second one, third one. The answer of second question is 1. If anybody is not getting, please tell, I'll solve it. Actually, generally what we do, when you all are there in front, I ask the students who have solved it to come and write it on the board.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in third question, it is a cortex
Cot
to the
x.
power sin
X.
x, no?
Yes, I have not written x. Cot x to the power sin x. Yeah. Everybody got the second answer correct? So I won't solve it then. Is there anybody who has not got the answer of second question? Okay, nobody is replying. That means everybody has got it. Third question, cot x raised to sin x. This will be L is equal to limit as x goes to 0, log of n is equal to, ये भी बना रहा है, log of cot x. Actually, yeah. So then this sin x will go in the denominator. Now this form was 0 raised to 0. Correct? They may ask you what is the form after applying log. So the form sin 0 is 0, cot 0 is infinity, and log infinity is infinity. So it is 0 into infinity form. Is it okay? And now you are going to convert it to 0 by 0 form. You cannot apply a hospital rule here. So it is log of cot x divided by sin x is nothing but cosec x. Okay? Fine. And then this is now infinity by infinity form. Therefore, you can apply an hospital rule, and the answer will turn out to be 1, I suppose, again. So log n is nothing but limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of log is 1 upon cot x. And what's the derivative of cot x? What is the derivative of cot x?
Minus
cosec square x.
Minus cosec square x. And derivative of cosec is minus cosec x into
Secant x into cot x.
yeah. So 1 cosec x will get cancelled. This is not going to get cancelled. They are both in the denominator. So minus sign will get cancelled, and you get limit as x tends to 0. Okay, this you don't understand, it is plus, it is cancelled. Otherwise, again, you may go wrong. So, what will be the thing now? Cosec x divided by cot square x. So, that is nothing but limit as x goes to 0, tan square x divided by sin x. Now, what you will do? Multiply and divide by x square. This here will multiply by x square, divide by x square, multiply by x square, here will divide by x and multiply by x. So 1x will get cancelled, remaining all the limit is 1 and this is 0. When x goes to 0, this x will approach 0, therefore the limit will become, log n will become 0 and therefore log n will become 0 and therefore n will be e raised to 0, which is 5. Okay? Fine? Clear everyone?
Ma'am, what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
written? It is clearly visible.
You can't see clearly?
Means I can see, but it's like very small handwriting.
Okay, fine. The space is
Only
less, that's
from
why I
that
was
state.
writing.
Yeah, correct.
That
Yes.
one only, na?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I'll
yeah.
rewrite it here.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is nothing but log n is equal to limit as x tends to 0. It will become cosec x will remain as it is, and denominator it is cot into cot square. Now you can see.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So cosec x goes in the denominator, it will become sin. Cot will go in the numerator, it will become tan. So it is tan square x upon sin x. And I know the standard limit tan x by x, but here it is square. So I have to divide by x square and multiply by x square. Sin x by x. So I have to multiply by x. So this limit I can apply separately because it is finite. Both the limits are 1. 1x will get cancelled and only x will remain in the numerator, and therefore your answer will become limit as x tends to 0, it is x, since remaining limits are L1 is equal to L2 is equal to 1. This is L1 and this is L2. And now when you put x is equal to 0, this is 0, but log L is 0, therefore L will be e raised to 0. Is it okay? Clear? Everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you try to solve the fourth one. The fourth one is not so easy. And that is definitely going to be there at least for 50% of the class in your exam, MCQ exam. How it will be 50%? Some of you all will get ABC in 3 terms. Some of you all will get 2 terms, A raised to x, B raised to x. Some of you all will get with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, like that. And the final answer is fixed. It will be a unique answer depending on the theory. So this is a general question. We are going to solve this and then we can conclude what will be the final answer in case if ABC are replaced by some other numbers. Okay? So look at the question carefully and try to see what you are going to do. What is the form that you identify first? Who is making the problem? That also you identify, and then If you keep it as it is, what will be the derivative that you have to take care of? So let me write down the question. It is,
Hello, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a
ABC raised
doubt.
to 1 by 3.
yes. What is the doubt?
Actually, in my class 12th, one of my teachers taught me a trick about how to deal with one raised to power
One is to
infinity
infinity.
problems.
Yes.
So, in that,
E raised to f of x minus.
we used to take the base as f of x and the power as g of x,
G of x,
and in,
yes.
and then we have to we do it like e raised to power f of x into g of x into f of x minus 1. So can we use that in solving?
Yes, you can use that. Same thing we are doing,
Yes.
we will understand when we are writing e to the power answer. That is actually that formula only. But how that formula comes, this is the thing. If you want to use that directly, you can do it. So what you can do, who is this student? Can you tell me?
Actually, that's a easier method.
Yes. Who is this student? You tell me. You make a video, small video of that particular method, and we will share it as a self-learning experience from the students. Is it okay? On Google Classroom, we'll share it.
Okay.
Solve 2 examples with using that technique and put it and make a video of it and then send it to me. I'll put it on the Google Classroom. Okay. Right now we'll go by this method because actually you don't have theory, so that method would have been anytime easier. This will be the standard method that I'll explain you. Okay. Yes. Tell me now how you are going to do. This is 1 by x, and this is x is going to infinity. This is a new different method that I'll tell you, and then he is going to explain that infinity method. 1 by x will be, if I put 1 by x as
Y.
okay. So if I put 1 by x as y, when x goes to infinity, y will go to 0.
0.
So your limit will become y goes to 0, a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y upon 3 raised to 1 by y. Okay, this is your question. And now what is the form? When you put y is equal to 0, a raised to 0 is 1, b raised to 0 is 1, c raised to 0 is 1. So it is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 divided by 3, which is 1, raised to infinity. So the form is 1 raised to infinity. And this is your L. So applying log on both sides, log of L will be limit as y tends to 0, 1 by y, log of a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y upon 3. Okay, which is nothing but limit as y tends to 0, log of a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y minus log 3. Log a by b formula I have used. Log a by b is nothing but log a minus log 3. That is what I have used. Divided by y. Okay, now you check when you put y is equal to 0, this is a raised to 0, 1, b raised to 0, 1, c raised to 0, 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Log 3 minus log 3 is 0 divided by 0. So this is 0 by 0 form, and therefore you have to apply L-Hospital rule. Okay, and therefore log A will become now limit as y tends to 0. Limit as y tends to 0. Derivative of log is 1 upon a raised to y plus b raised to y plus c raised to y into derivative of these functions, which is a raised to y log a plus b raised to y log b plus c raised to y log c minus what's the derivative of log 3?
0.
Log 3 derivative is 0, and what's the derivative of y? That is 1. Derivative of y in the denominator is 1. So you are going to stop here, put the value of y, you will get the final answer. That will give you the ultimate answer. Check which way is becoming easier, whether using that formula or by this method, and whichever you feel comfortable, you can solve. So when you put y is equal to 0, this is a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0 plus c raised to 0 into a raised to 0 log a plus a raised to 0 log b plus a raised to 0 log c. And therefore your answer of log n will become 1 by 3 log of a, b, c. Is this clear? This is log a plus log b plus log c. Log a plus log b plus log c divided by 3, and therefore this is log of A, B, C raised to 1 by 3. Cancel out the log on both sides. Your answer will be F is equal to A, B, C raised to 1 by 3. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the fixed answer or standard answer. Now, if your ABC becomes 1, 2, 3, it will become 1 into 2 into 3, 6 raised to 1 by 3. If your ABC becomes 2, 5, 7, it will be 2 into 5 into 7. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you,
Ma'am,
if you are,
even if the powers of A, B, and C are 1 by Y, then what it will happen after that?
you ask, then the limit should be, if it is 1 by y, then the limit should be equal to infinity, not 0. Then it won't be now
Yes.
required from a raised to 1 raised to infinity. If y is also going to infinity and a raised to 1 by y, b raised to 1 by y, c raised to 1 by y, then the indeterminate form 1 raised to infinity won't arrive. Getting it? So if
Yes.
it is going to infinity, the power will be, that's why I solved this example. If x is going to infinity, then power should be a raised to 1 by x, b raised to 1 by x, c raised to 1 by x. If x is going to 0, then the question will be a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 raised to 1 by 3, 1 by x. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear everyone? That's the difference. The both questions can be asked. One question will be asked x going to infinity, a raised to 1 by x, b raised to 1 by x, c raised to 1 by x. And the second question can be asked as x going to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x upon 3 raised to 1 by x. Both type of questions will be asked. Now what are the different type of questions that can be asked on this same type? One is 1 by x and x. Second is, here there are 3 terms. You may be asked with 2 terms, a raised to y plus b raised to y upon 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can be asked the question as what is
Yes.
the limit as y goes to 0, a raised to y plus b raised to y upon 2, the whole raised to 1 by 1. What will be your answer?
A into B raised to 1 by 2.
1 by 2, root AB.
Hello.
I guess there was some
Ma'am,
problem with ma'am's account.
Ma'am has network issue, I guess.
No, the
सबका
meeting
hang हुआ
has
ना?
not been started. हाँ, but still there now all students mostly इधर ही है अभी मैम बस डिस्कनेक्ट हुई है I guess. बस मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हुए हैं.
नहीं है.
फ्रीज हो गया मैम का.
हाँ अचानक से like people were answering and अचानक से freeze हो गया right. उनको बोले क्या नहीं तो she will be going on teaching I guess without knowing. उनको बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
बोला
हाँ
था
ना.
स्क्रीन भी शेयरिंग बंद हो गई.
लेफ्ट हो गए मैम.
हाँ
क्या
मैम
चल
को
रहा
मैं
है
फोन
आज?
करती हूँ.
कर
अक्षय कुमार जाऊं दे.
तुम लोग
हाँ,
रुको, तुम लोग कहीं मत जाओ नहीं तो और तुम
मुझे
लोगों को
डाउट
इकट्ठा करने में और
पूछना
टाइम.
था.
हेलो.
मुझे डाउट पूछना था, मैम गई.
अरे बाप रे.
फोन लगा मैम को.
क्या डाउट है तेरा, इधर बता रे.
में बैठा है ना, वो सॉल्व करेगा.
थर्ड
जोशी
स्टेप
बता, डाउट
में
बता.
अपना थर्ड स्टेप नहीं था कि देख y सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, y इज इक्वल टू 0.
रुक जाओ,
हेलो,
किताब खोल.
क्या?
क्या मैच देख रहा है?
नहीं बे, मैं नहीं देख रहा. मैच तो खत्म हो गई. अबे रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है.
कल की
लॉग ऑफ
मैम का
इन्फिनिटी क्या होता है?
कनेक्शन मैम का कनेक्शन लूज हो गया है,
लास्ट
so
क्वेश्चन
she
का
will
आंसर आया किसी को?
try to join again.
लॉग ऑफ इंफिनिटी इंफिनिटी होगा क्या?
इन्फिनिटी होगा।
नॉट डिफाइंड होता है ना?
इन्फिनिटी मतलब वही।
डिफाइंड होता है।
नहीं, आई थिंक लॉग जीरो इक्वल्स टू इंफिनिटी होता है।
हाँ, अरे वो 0 into
हाँ
log
log
0 is
zero
minus infinity.
0 into
Log
लॉग
0 is
जीरो
minus
माइनस इन्फिनिटी
infinity.
रहता है और लॉग इन्फिनिटी इन्फिनिटी रहता है।
हाँ वो
हाँ
मैं
log
लॉग
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा,
इंफिनिटी की
power
ओके।
बात
0
कर रही, जीरो पे मत जाओ। फिफ्थ में
लॉग इन्फिनिटी
फिफ्थ
इन्फिनिटी रहता है।
अबे सुन
Infinity
Log
होगा।
infinity indeterminate.
अरे मेरे को कुछ बोलने दोगे? फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में लिमिट x टेंड्स टू जीरो है कि इंफिनिटी, ये बता दो।
x
जीरो है।
tends to 0
जीरो
जीरो।
जीरो।
तो इसलिए मैंने पूछा करके कि लॉग ऑफ इंफिनिटी क्या होता
Infinity होगा ना। सूर्या ग्राफ देखना लॉग का।
है। नहीं इतनी होशियार नहीं।
करो।
कौन सा?
अरे यार फिफ्थ
ये वाला
क्वेश्चन
देखना।
बताओ ना कोई।
वन आया क्या फिफ्थ का?
No.
नहीं, क्वेश्चन तो बता
but the
दी।
question is limit
इंफिनिटी टेंड्स टू
0
इंफिनिटी है ना वो तो।
क्वेश्चन किसे चाहिए था?
हाँ, क्वेश्चन देना।
लिमिट x
Log
tends
of
to 0 log 1 by x into log 1 minus x
अरे वो इंटू
इंटू
नहीं है,
है,
वो
अरे भाई
पावर
पावर है
में
ना।
है वो।
To the
वो
power
रेस
है
टू
ना?
है ना?
चैट बॉक्स में डाला है, देख
रेस
ले।
टू होगा ना वो?
लॉग बता रही।
मे बी हाँ।
पावर में है वो, फिर
लिमिट
log आएगा।
लिमिट क्या है लिमिट?
It
ए
tends
रुको
to
जरा,
0।
मैम का फोन आ रहा है, रुको।
लिमिट इंफिनिटी है ना?
नहीं जीरो जीरो।
मार्क्स
ए
अटेंडेंस
जीरो।
जीरो है, जीरो।
ओके ओके।
ई की पावर।
आंसर वन ही है ना?
अबे बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो रहा वो।
हाँ वन ही है, वन ही है।
लाइक लॉग लेने के बाद उसका लॉग 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू लॉग ऑफ लॉग 1 बाई एक्स।
हाँ करेक्ट।
दो बार
लॉग क्यों ले
डिफरेंशिएट
रही
करना
तू?
पड़ता
हाँ लॉग लेने का ना, पावर में है ना, तो लॉग ही लेना
है।
पड़ेगा।
अरे पर लॉग ऑलरेडी है ना, तू वैसे भी लिख सकती ना नीचे।
ट्रिक यूज
अरे
करना।
हाँ
वापस क्यों
सही
लॉग ले
बोला,
रही?
सही
वही
बोला।
तो।
इसलिए मैं सोच रही थी मैं कहीं गलत जा रही।
पावर नहीं है, वो लॉग वन बाई
डबल
का पावर है ना।
नहीं वो अलग है ना।
अरे
वो
लॉग
के
लेना
बाहर
है
पावर है तो नहीं
पावर
ले
में
सकते।
अरे वो ऑलरेडी लॉग में है ना, तो उसको डायरेक्टली नीचे ले सकती है, वो लोग ये बोल रहे हैं।
फिर से अपन को
नहीं
उसके
नहीं
लिए।
नहीं, वो ब्रैकेट का पावर है,
ओ
वो ऐसे
हाँ
नहीं ले सकते।
एक
हाँ
पूरे
तो
लॉग
वैसे
का
नहीं।
पावर है।
अरे वो वन बाय एक्स का पावर है ना।
अरे रुको, सब
नहीं
लोग
पूरे
रुको
लॉग
अरे
जरा।
के
मेरा
लॉग
एक
का
तो
पावर।
लॉग
है।
वन बाय।
रुको जरा। मैम का फोन आया था अभी। साइली साइली जरा शांत बैठो।
हाँ
साइली की
बोल
जरा।
ना।
हाँ, तेरे को सीएस के तेरे बैच का अटेंडेंस लेना है, और जो एब्सेंट रोल नंबर्स है वो रोल नंबर्स मैम को भेजने हैं, और मेरे को ईएनटीसी का लेना पड़ेगा मेरे बैच का।
अच्छा, ओए शांत
हाँ
रहो यार, पहले बात तो पूरी कर लेने दो।
ओके, तो अभी स्टार्ट कर ले तेरा जल्दी।
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है।
हाँ गाइस, जल्दी जल्दी अटेंडेंस दे दो, सो दैट कट कर लेंगे हम लोग फिर बाद में कॉल।
हाँ
ओके
अच्छा, मेरे को ही रोल नंबर बोलना पड़ेगा।
हाँ।
1
प्रेजेंट
2
प्रेजेंट
3
प्रेजेंट
4
प्रेजेंट
5
प्रेजेंट
6
प्रेजेंट
7
प्रेजेंट
8
प्रेजेंट
9
प्रेजेंट मैम
10
प्रेजेंट
11
प्रेजेंट
12
प्रेजेंट
13
13 नहीं है।
अच्छा एब्सेंट है।
13 है ही नहीं।
13 नहीं है, 14 से।
अच्छा हाँ जो भी है। 14
प्रेजेंट
15
प्रेजेंट
16
प्रेजेंट
17
प्रेजेंट
18
प्रेजेंट
19 19 20
प्रेजेंट
21
प्रेजेंट
22
प्रेजेंट
23
प्रेजेंट
24
प्रेजेंट
25,
Present.
26, 26, 27, 28,
27
अच्छा हाँ 28,
present.
29,
Present.
30,
Present.
31,
Present.
32,
Present.
33,
Present.
34,
Present.
35,
Present.
36,
Present.
37,
Present.
38,
Present.
39,
Present.
40,
Present.
41,
Present.
42,
Present.
43, 43, 44,
Present.
45,
Present.
46,
Present.
47,
Present.
48,
Present.
49,
Present.
50,
Present.
51,
Present.
50 कौन है?
Mihir.
अच्छा हाँ ओके 51,
Present.
52,
Present.
53, 53, 54,
Present.
55,
Present.
56,
Present. Present.
57,
Present.
58,
Present.
59,
Present.
60, 60, 61,
Present. Present.
62, 62, 63,
Present.
64, जल्दी जल्दी करो 64, 65, 66,
Present.
67,
67.
Present. Present.
I'm present.
एक मिनट
एक मिनट
65,
65.
66,
66.
67,
Saili?
हाँ
I'm present.
एक सेकेंड ये बंद करो कोई सब लोग अपना माइक बंद करो
67 present.
66,
66.
66 थी वो मीटिंग लेफ्ट करके गई.
अच्छा
Saili,
विष्णु तुम अपना बंद करो माइक
बंद करो माइक.
Okay, sorry.
हाँ
Saili
हाँ
64
बोलो
present.
अच्छा हाँ 66 हो गया ना 67
Yes, I'm present.
68
Present.
69
Present ma'am.
69 हो गया 70
Present.
71 प्रेजेंट
Absent.
72 हाँ तो 13 19 26 43 53 60 62 65 एब्सेंट है
62 present. Sorry वो मीटिंग
अच्छा
लेफ्ट हो गया था.
और ये 66 मीटिंग छोड़ के गई है
उसने पहले पूछा था प्रेजेंट बोला बाद में छोड़ के गई.
अच्छा
अच्छा
ठीक है
Citing
क्या सही
66
हाँ
is
बोल
present.
क्या
66 is present.
हाँ ओके ओके हाँ नहीं लिखा है हो गया आर्या
ओके ओके फाइन
हम्म,
अब ENTC I'll start okay
हम लोग
first one
मीटिंग लेफ्ट कर दे
एक्चुअली मैम का एक मैसेज आया है ओके हाँ यस she will send the video of today's topic and notes and then we can watch from the same
Yes,
अच्छा ओके
CSC students please leave.
या
हाँ CS
साइली
students can leave
हाँ
CS
लीव
students
करे ना.
छोड़ सकते हैं लीव
अरे वो समझा मेरे को वो कुछ बोल रहा है हाँ बोल ना
ठीक है ठीक कुछ नहीं लीव करना है वही पूछना था.
हाँ कर
ओके
दो
ओके चलो I'll start ENTC 1
हाँ बाय
Yeah, present. I am present here.
2,
Present.
3,
Present.
4,
Present.
5, 5, 6,
Yeah, present.
7, 8,
Present.
9, 9,
कॉलेज
10,
छोड़ दिया उसने
10,
प्रेजेंट
11,
प्रेजेंट
12,
Present.
13,
Present.
14,
प्रेजेंट
15,
Present.
16,
प्रेजेंट
17,
Present.
18,
प्रेजेंट
19,
Present.
20,
Present.
21,
Present.
22,
प्रेजेंट
23, 23, 24, 25,
Present.
26,
अबे 24 प्रेजेंट है
okay, 25, 25, 25 नहीं है, 26, 26,
25 present.
okay, 26, 26, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो यार, 26 नहीं है, 27, 28, 27, 28 नहीं है, 27, 28 भी नहीं है, 29,
Present.
30,
प्रेजेंट
31,
प्रेजेंट
32,
प्रेजेंट
33,
Present.
34,
प्रेजेंट
35,
Present.
37,
Present. Present.
38, 38, 38, 39,
Present.
40,
Present.
41,
प्रेजेंट
42, 42, 42, 43,
Present.
44,
Present.
44, सुप्रिया थोड़ा सा
Present.
माइक बंद कर देगी क्या, थोड़ा सा, ओके
करेंगे अभी।
ओके, 44 हुआ था क्या, ओके 45,
Present. Present.
यस यस, 46,
प्रेजेंट
47,
Present.
48,
Present.
49,
Present.
50,
Present.
51,
प्रेजेंट मैम
52,
Present.
53,
प्रेजेंट
54,
Present.
56, 55,
क्या भूल गए क्या प्रेजेंट
42 is present, huh?
42, हाँ प्रेजेंट ही लिखा है, 55,
प्रेजेंट प्रेजेंट
56, 57,
Present.
58,
Present.
59,
59.
Present.
60,
Red box.
60,
प्रेजेंट है वो चैट बॉक्स में डाला है, प्रेजेंट है वो चैट बॉक्स में डाला है।
ओके 61,
Present.
61, 62,
Present.
या 62,
प्रेजेंट
63,
प्रेजेंट
64, अबे
Present.
अपनी स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, ओके स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, कोई तो बोलो,
68.
68
हाँ
68 है जा
ओके, सो टिल वेयर आई वाज, 61, 62, 63,
Present.
64.
यार मैडम लोग मैम आई
64, 65,
42 present, huh?
हाँ हाँ 65, 65, 66, 66, Ayush, will you please close your mic, 67, 65 है क्या, 65, नहीं,
माइक क्लोज ही होता ना, ओपन कौन करता नहीं।
60, डोंट
ये ना रिकॉर्डिंग भी चालू है।
हाँ 65,
हमको चाहिए
66,
वो।
67,
शिट मैंने देखा ही नहीं।
67, 67 भी नहीं है, Acha, okay, I'm calling out the roll numbers. Those are absent. Just check if your name is there in those. 5, 9.
68 is present.
Okay. Okay. Listen. 5, 9, 23, 26, 27, 28, 38, 65, 67. ये सब लोग absent है, right?
अबे गुंजन था ना 23 वाला, कहाँ गया?
गुंजन 23 है, but नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. गुंजन नहीं दिख रहा है.
अपनी क्लास की स्टूडेंट 68 है.
Maybe he left.
ओके, ठीक है. 68 रोल नंबर है ना, लेकिन अभी.
प्रेजेंट है.
हाँ, खत्म. ओके, चलो. हाँ, बाय.
Bye bye.
चलो
Bye bye.